Hey guys, Nick here with Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery. Today I want to show you an improvement that we had for printing koozies. So how we used to do them is we would simply just lay the koozie on there and send it around. We got some koozies in that were a little puffier than we're used to using. So we couldn't necessarily just send those around normal. So what we've done is we're flipping this around. All right, we're getting that guy locked in. And then we're taking our koozie and just feeding it over the bottom there. Now, that's gonna allow for a nice clean print because we're gonna be going through foam, but it's also gonna be that rigid surface there of the platen. As I mentioned prior, if you're just setting it on there, you're going through 2 layers of foam before you're reaching a solid surface to allow it to clear and have a nice clean print on there. So in doing that, we've discovered that our prints are coming out really nice and clean. We're gonna want to lower the power of one of the flashes to 50%. Otherwise, you're gonna completely scorch a koozie, all right? Our standard is at 80% power, between 70 to 80, but at that, you're gonna just melt a koozie. So you really only want to have one flash on as well. The secondary chili flash is not needed. Okay, additionally, what you would want to do, so with number 1, we have the stop here. So that's not going to allow you to load your sleeve platen on there all the way. So what you're going to want to do is throw just a regular platen on, one of your standard platens, put a shirt on, and you want to make sure that your graphic is going to be clearing the platen. So you want to make sure your platen is out far enough to where the graphic is going to clear. Otherwise, it's going to chop in the middle of it, and it's going to pushing through, and it's going to mess up the additional shirts. So yeah, that's what I got for you guys. Thank you.